Oga Andrew, me, I cannot do that job. 80k is too small. I can't. How can you pay a whole chick like me 80k? It's too small now. See, sir, Opwe is not the problem. Opwe is not the problem. Just give me a good job. For now, I'm in the village, but with time, I will enter town. Yes, with time. Just give me a good job that will make me meet rich men, big men. Then I will service you anyhow you want it. Oga Andrew, let me call you back. I don't think I need that job again. I'll call you back. Mama! Mama! Mama, come.
His name is Dangote, international man, importer and exporter. Money no be wahala at all for inside. Money no be trouble at all for inside.
I told you people that my first time I was ready to walk. I want to post that. Hey! Hey, my son. Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Hi.
Nah, who are you and how can we help you?
My name is Daniel Lokonta. My friends call me Dangote.
Dangote?
No, not that Dangote. That Dangote is my business partner. Yes, but I'm talking about Daniel Dangote, the richest man in Southeast, South, and Southwest.
Hey! You're welcome, sir. Now you're welcome. You're welcome, sir. Hey! Mama, let me bring it. Hey, Butoche! Butoche!
Sir, my name is Uju.
Adam, Butoche!
I go around changing lives, yeah, so it's you people's store. I'm here to change lives.
Richest man!
Let's wait here. Why people normally come this way?
Okay.
Instead of checking.
Thank you, Geji. Thank you for accepting me.
Why are you thanking me? You're not supposed to be thanking me. We're not doing each other favors. Something that we agreed on. Marriage is mutual understanding. For better, for worse. So you're not supposed to be thanking me.
Well, you never cease to amaze me. Once again, thank you. What kind of a girl are you?
You're a normal human being. But I'm just telling you reality.
But it's rare, people like you, but it's all good. It's all good. Everywhere good.
Okay. And thank you too. Since we're sharing, thank you. Let me share my phone with you.
Thank you. Everywhere good.
It's about to rain. I believe Keke or bike will come out.
Okay. They usually pass here.
Yes, here is the major route.
Excuse me. Hello, Tony. Yeah, I just saw the alert now. 9.1 billion. Yeah, but it's not complete. So when am I getting my 6.9 billion balance? Tomorrow. That's okay with me. Once I get the alert, I will let you know. Thank you. I'll do my manners. Before I proceed, like I said, I go about changing lives. And it's you people's turn. So before I continue, let me do some.
His name is Rinky Bello. He manipulates you. Maka wake babwe jala tugo. Wake kunaku. If I not join
Wow.
his name is Dangote. International man.
As another working for what is
Importer and exporter.
so
Money no be wahala at all.
I call this Oji.
Yeah. So, Naimeka.
You can say that again.
Hey.
I will go straight to the point. Okay. I want to marry your daughter here. For many years. Yes, I've known you since our university days. I used to be a cabman on campus. Yeah. You might remember my face.
Yeah, your face looks familiar.
Yeah.
It's me, Daniel. But my condition then wouldn't let me come close to a beautiful girl like this. Sure. But thank God for today, my story has changed.
Exactly.
So please, I want to marry Ujunwa, and I mean everyone.
Hey! Hey! You're welcome, my Dangote my in-law. You're welcome. You will marry her. She will marry you. Yes. Eh? I need to call his chair because Mama will call his chair later. Yes. Ujunwa, she will marry you. This marriage can start now. If you want that, once I go inside, bring Golodov now. Marriage is hey!
I would like to hear from the horse's mouth.
Nam, she will marry you. She will marry you.
Eh? You're welcome, and I'll marry you.
She will marry you.
I'll marry you. I'll marry you.
Yes, sir. Oh. You're welcome. Come on, Teregoji. Let me bring color for you.
Now bring it. Let me.
I am the first son. Mama, calm down. Now what's me? Oh, come on,
Hey, now she will marry you. If you want the marriage to happen today, to happen. When you hear Korean now, Dangote my in-law. Oh, Kabuchonye. Hey.
Uncle, good afternoon, sir.
What to do?
I was coming to your place, so.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Hope all is well.
Yes, all is well.
Hey, Ray just called me down, eh? That someone is in the house to ask for Juwan's hand in marriage.
Are you serious?
That's what I'm going to.
They did not tell me, but I'm happy for her. That's why I'm coming to your house too. Yes, somebody just proposed to me.
Wow.
Yes.
Huh? This is good news for the family.
Yes, sir.
This is real good news for the family. You know what? Let me get to your house. I'll see you and your mother on my way back.
Okay,
yeah?
sir.
Or the problem with one?
Yes, sir.
Let me go.
I'll come and see them.
No problem, no problem.
This one is for the poster man. I made it to happen. I told you people that this poster was pasted and it will work. You see it today.
Hey,
but
Mama,
Mama, now.
Mama, wait. Somebody should tell me that I'm not dreaming. Am I dreaming?
Nem, you are not dreaming.
Mama, am I dreaming?
You are not dreaming.
If you are not dreaming.
God has heard our prayer.
Mama, I am so shocked. Is this how God works?
Hey!
Very good.
See rich son-in-law.
To think that his face was very familiar.
It was the poster that I spread all over the community. The poster was the familiar face you are seeing.
No problem. Mr. Right has come now. Go and take the poster out.
Just say
I will remove it.
Go and remove it with immediate effect.
I will remove it. That one is a problem. My happiness is that at least I have in-law.
Hey!
Dangote.
Hey! Rich son-in-law. Hey! Now just say what prayer. Oh,
I will remove it.
See, don't waste time to go and visit him. Oh. You heard what he said.
Mama, don't worry, relax. I'm a girl, I'm a chick.
Hi, chick.
What's going on here?
Chick.
What is waiting for you? Where's the man?
A rich man is a busy man.
A rich man doesn't waste time.
I called you as soon as he made his intention known.
Why is he so much in a hurry? He cannot go. Things are not done that way. That means he has to come back. Yes.
Che, don't worry. This man bypassed all protocols just to come here today. Don't worry, he'll come again next week. No?
Yes, Che. Don't worry. If we're going to come down, because you are going to prepare list for the Oma Nnanna, kindred list. I have prepared the one for the youth and the one for late father and the only brothers list. You know, I have 3 special lists for him. And I've told him already.
I have the one for mother's list, list Umuada, and list Umuwan. So you bring only the Umunna own.
Yes, only the Umunna.
That's the only one you will bring.
So I will give you.
Just Umunna.
Yes, in chair.
So what do? But it's a good thing for all of us in this family. Okay, Chick saw me and told me that a man is coming to seek her hand in marriage.
Okay, Chick Own is a poor man. A poor man that came to seek for my daughter's hand in marriage.
Mechanical.
And we rejected him. Ogechi now wants to get married.
Inspiration.
You see why poverty will never leave this
She wants to get married to my
mommy. As for me and my children, I am happy.
Emilia, don't talk like that, Emilia. You want money. Go.
She's getting married to my mommy.
Since you say you are going, I wanted to go and get one of the drinks he brought for us. But they are very expensive. It's not something you can handle. So maybe when he comes back, I will not buy you one bottle of small start or one kai, the one that you desire. I'm telling you, that one is for others.
Don't worry.
Please remember the list. That is very important.
Don't worry, he'll come again next week.
Wait though. Does it mean she's hiding it from you or something? Mama, I don't know. I don't know why she's even hiding it from me at the first place. It's Udoka that just told me now that he's going to their house. Anyway, thank God. We are happy for them. The good news is that she is getting married and my daughter is also getting married.
Me, I'm happy for her. But I just hope this one is rich. I just hope.
Do you think if this one is not rich, they will invite Udoka? You have forgotten who Emilia is. He must be very rich. Nebuta, the good news is that you two are getting married. And I'm happy for them. Them get married.
They are going to their husband's house.
And you too, you are going to your own husband's house.
It's not the ring bell. He manipulate you. Maka wake babwe jala tugo. Wake kunoku. If I not joy. His name is Dangote. International man.
This is just one of them.
Baby,
Yeah,
this is your house.
of course.
This is a mansion, baby.
We have 36 states in the country, so I have 36 duplexes.
Are you serious? Oh my God, baby, I love it here.
You love it?
I love it.
Come see the interior.
This space is massive.
Yes, sir.
This is no bad though. This is no bad at all.
Yes. By the time I make big money now, we'll move out of this place. Yeah?
We'll go get big mansion.
Yes, now.
You know bad though. Wait, look, I carry this.
Okay.
What can be your house?
This one.
That
is precious. Yes, but I make big money. We just
Now I believe you.
No, this one they love.
Dangote my in law. He gets money. Plenty money. His name is
Baby, this is mansion.
Like it?
I love it.
I have 36 pieces of fruit in this country.
36.
As you have 36 states, I decided to own 36 duplexes.
Hey, Odogu double silencer. Hey. Onyekwa. Yes, sir.
Oluchi, thanks. Oluchi, pause.
Okay.
This is my beautiful wife, my achalugo, my tomato juice, Oma Nnanna. Baby, that's Oluchi, my chef. Whatever you want, she prepares.
Baby, you have a chef.
It's a wealthy man's house. We have chefs, we have drivers, we have cleaners, we have gatemen.
Wow. Me, do you have food in the house?
Not yet, but you can place your order, then I'll prepare it.
Really? Yeah. Sharp, sharp.
Whatever you say, she will prepare it. English breakfast, chicken a la carte, Chinese rice, or for just mention it,
Interesting. Nick, do you know how to make spaghetti bolognese?
Of course, I'm at your service.
You can make it. But sharp. Go and make it for me, oh. Hey! I married an Odogu. Odogu double silencer. Hey!
So tell me, what were you doing in the village?
Baby, you know I just finished school. So I needed to spend some time with my family. And that time you came, I was on call for a job in Abuja. Yeah, I was trying to get a job.
My love, you can't be married to someone like me and be working for someone. No. My wife can never work for anybody. Let me tell you what you don't know. Just for being my wife, I will be paying you 10 million naira every 2 weeks.
Baby!
I will lie for you.
10 million naira every 2 weeks? Just for being your wife? Ah! I backed this one up!
His name is a rinky bell.
Hey! Just for being your wife? Hey! There are levels to this shit, baby! Hey! Baby, thank you so much.
Ụmụnwaanyị ibe m ekene m unu. Ụmụnwaanyị ibe m ekene m unu. As you can see, I came with good news. That is why I brought this. Our daughter, Ogechi, is getting married in weeks.
Hey!
Oh yeah. Oh, Guinea.
Emilia.
Oh, Guinea.
Oh, Guinea, you too. Eh? Even if you are deaf, I know, and we all here know that you are not blind. Are you trying to tell me that you did not meet me addressing these women? Eh?
Addressing, Guinea? Who is addressing? Jessica, all I see is poverty. Poverty! You talk and smell poverty. Hey! Opium! Ojurago, from head to toe.
Emilio, wash your mouth.
Else what? Else what? I'm in a good mood because I am not here to banter words with Jacinta. Oruho, if you would allow me, I have other things to do. Because
Jacinta, please, can you allow us listen to Emilia? Please sit down.
Okay, you could say, no, Dana. I want you to know that it's zero. It's a know that it's zero. Where you give me?
Can we listen?
How? Omuwanyi be making name no. Hey, Obina Tom Paulina. Yes, I am here to officially invite you to my precious, beautiful, adorable daughter's marriage to her heartbeat. Dangote.
Hey!
Yes.
Now this kind of news we want here.
Dangote.
Yes.
So here I can be to invite you people to the marriage. And when you are coming, please, as I am inviting all of you, make sure you invite your friends. Tell your friends to invite their friends because there will be enough to eat and drink on that day.
It's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Please sit down. Yes, please sit down.
Thank you, my Ebuche.
As usual, we'll all go there and support our children and our sisters.
So,
Must be there.
Jacinta, you were saying something. Who is your in-law? Is this somebody we know?
Jacinta, ngwa.
No, you dey crazy. The man when you can't see, not tell you when you rope there, may you spare your own clothes.
Madam, there is space here. So why did you throw my towel on the floor?
You dey mad. No, you dey mad. Now me they follow that stupid question. You slap me. Hey. You slap me because I dey speak English. You slap me. No, I dey speak English. This is how I know well. I be a cook. If you slap me, I go enter you. I go tell you like three. You dey crazy. Wait, oh, you dey mad? Runs girl, you dey slap me.
What is the problem?
You dey slap me before you were talking again.
Hey. Are you okay?
I'm not okay, oh. I came here to spread my towel. The next thing she came in and threw it on the floor.
Neighbor, I go scatter your babe head, oh. I go scatter your babe head. Tell her say this one no belong to you, oh. And they crazy, oh.
Calm down. Is that why you slap her? Someone that just came down. Eh? See, this is my wife. Please, don't do this again. If you do it, I will arrest you.
Eh?
Stay clear.
You go arrest me. Oh, you arrest me.
Come on.
Arrest me!
Come on, your hand from my man,
me.
Come on, your hand from my man, close.
Come and fight me.
You want fight?
Arrest me now. Come and fight me. Oh, you go inside. Go wear clothes. Come now. I don't wait for you. Me and now here this compound when I will see fight. Come and fight me now. Come and fight me. Fight me. No, fight me.
Maybe we start to my wife will beat you.
Oh, your wife will beat me.
Beat you.
Come and fight me.
My wife will beat you.
Fight me now.
She's too strong.
You dey fear? Arrest me.
She
Come
will
on.
beat you for me.
Come and arrest me.
Are you done cooking?
Yes.
What did you prepare?
White rice and stew.
On whose order?
Sorry, my Oga told me to prepare it.
Are you mad? Oga told you what? I asked you to make spaghetti bolognese for me. You're telling me rubbish. Are you mad? Did he not tell you I'm his wife to be? Did he not tell you? You take orders from me first. This stupid girl made rice and stew when I asked her for bolognese sauce.
Oh, my bad. I told her to make rice and stew for me before making your spark. Sorry about that.
I don't like this. I don't like it. I wanted bolognese sauce with spaghetti.
Oluchi, have you forgotten the saying that says ladies first? If they carry you go joint, you don't be the first serve. Ladies first. So please, from now onwards, take her orders first. In fact, always serve her before serving me. Do you understand? Yeah.
Get out!
Bring the rice. Let's eat together. Honey?
Stupid girl.
You're too beautiful to be angry. We'll eat the rice together, yeah? Then she'll make you spaghetti.
I wanted the sauce on the spaghetti.
Don't worry, you have it. Come give me some sugar.
I go beat you. Now my mom make me dey leave you. I go beat you. This girl I be village cookie. Ask my husband to tell you if I run inside, I go be like tell me mad. I go beat you. I go beat her. Hey.
It's okay. Wait, you take time.
You just have to sit there because I dey follow explain.
Madam, I be village cook. If you try me, don't liegi kago. You dey crazy. Hey. Okay. Neighbor. You. I don't mark your face. I don't mark your face. You see this your face? I don't mark you.
The mark I be sis. No, na sis is not even the
we
mark
shall
face.
see. I don't mark your face.
You still dey touch me, oh. Baby, you dey see am. She still dey touch me, oh. You see, I sit there like udufuru. If I jam you, I go let you like tire. You dey see am.
It's okay. I'm sorry.
Now, so they take me for this house.
You see, it's just because of money. I'm sorry. If not because of money, what will I be doing with this girl in this compound?
Baby,
I can't marry you now.
Kotalo. You see, 1 week, Kotalo.
No.
This girl go pack her for this house 1 week.
Okay.
Now I go make her. She go not come up for this. I go still come up for this house because of this girl.
It's okay.
Hey,
Make I spray this and make she go comot am again. They burn her well.
It's okay, I'm sorry, eh? This is not how you should be welcome. It's okay.
I know the vex, so that one go make me vex. I go pursue her for this company. She go come up for me. I dey wait for you.
If I talk now, they will say Emilia is a greedy woman. Emilia, what you did now, is it okay? Emilia, why is it that you have decided that I'm your problem? I am not. I am not in competition with you. You are in competition with me. Oh.
You have always been in competition with me. Jessica, you have always been in competition with me. From the moment you got married into this family, you have always been in competition with me. I gave birth to a baby girl. You gave birth to a baby girl. I gave birth to a baby boy. You too gave birth to a baby boy. Your own died. Was that my fault? Now my daughter has grown into a beautiful young lady. You want yours to be beautiful too. Now my daughter is in school. You put your daughter in the same school, even while you were struggling. Hey, Jacinta! Here on Emekwe, you are telling me that I'm competing with you. Now who is competing with who?
Emilia, wait. So you are trying to tell me that our children who grew up and became friends are now the issue? Eh?
Let me tell you, my daughter is getting married. Because of your greed, you allowed your daughter to accept a suitor that my own daughter rejected. Just because you want them to get married at the same time. Now see the caricature you have made of yourself. We will wait until that day. Let's see what is going to happen on that day.
Emilia, no one is God. Nobody is God. My daughter is not in competition with your daughter. No. My daughter knows where she's from. She knows the family she came from, that we are poor. And she chose her life. You and your daughter wanted a rich man. The richest man on earth. Thank God you have that man now.
Yes.
And we are happy for you. Eh? On that day, we will come, eat rice, drink, and be happy for you.
If I see you there, let me not see you there. Foolish
Emilia, we
woman.
are not your competitors. Stop seeing us as such. Yes, rich son-in-law, rich son-in-law. Emilia, let me ask you, if every mother was to be like you, who will marry your own son? You are quiet now, eh? Who will marry that your son that does not have shishi to
Hey, leave him for me. I have plans for him.
Wait, I am not done. Who will marry that your son that is still eating from your pot? That is still living under your roof? No! Let's leave all this one aside. Who will marry your son who has not even been able to put his life together? Eh? We will see whose son-in-law he will become. The rich son-in-law.
Hey, my son-in-law. My son-in-law will help my son. I have plans for my son. Watch and see what he will become. I have plans for that, my son. I have plans for him. Don't worry. I will surprise you.
Are you serious? Why did she fight her?
I don't know. You don't say that girl too do. My fear now is that Ogechi might decide not to come back again if she leaves.
No. With what you told me, that girl is not running anywhere. That girl is an exceptional lady. That girl is specially made for you. See, she don't just want to be a husband to any man. No. It's just you that she loves.
That's what she said, though. She said she cannot run away from anybody. Imagine someone that was working with a slap in her husband's house. And she's not shaking.
Guy, you are blessed. See, when I look at you, I envy you. Because I dey wonder. See me, where I want to see this kind lady marry, this kind of girl, you can't see them.
Exactly.
They're not there.
Well, I know what to do. I know what to do.
So,
My husband, what are you going to do?
hey.
What are you going to do? I have told you to stop worrying about people that are not existing, because as far as I'm concerned, that girl is not existing at all. That girl back am case. Me, I used to stop my own, but if you look for my trouble, I will give you double. 10,000 of her cannot push me out of my husband's house. I can, no man, that a single girl pushed me out of my husband's house. How now? It cannot happen.
Baby girl, please. We are sorry about what happened, okay? We apologize on our behalf. Huh?
You don't need to apologize. This is one of those things. We see it everywhere. Go to my village, ask. I'm not pretending. I'm very, very humble. When you come to buy, I will say to you. You see that girl? I told my husband, 1 week, I'm just giving her 1 week. She will run out of this compound. 1 week.
You see, just rest. When you rest finish, I will take you to my Yaga's house. Because he said anytime I see a woman I will marry, I should bring her. So we will go to my Yaga's house.
That is good though.
Yeah.
But we'll eat first now before we go. Are you not hungry?
Yeah, Buchi.
No problem. We'll eat.
So you show me the market. Let me go and bring nylon.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Get out this girl. And your wife, God envy you. See me, where I want. This can't get no day.
You see this sand now, You know that Dangote will be getting married to my sister. So there's no time. You see all this sand now? I want you to pack it. Okay, pack it to level this ground. You see all those other ones? You will level the ground because I don't want that day, if they are dancing, the traditional marriage, if they are dancing, any of him or his friends or governor, Emelo Alo, I don't know what they will say. So I want you to pack this sand, if possible. Get your friends so that you pack this block out.
2 seconds, 2 seconds.
I will even pack the block alone, no worry. 2 seconds. Wait, Mama,
what is going on here? I just got back.
You know this young man, every day he has been disturbing me that he wants job. He has been disturbing that he wants job. So I said, every day I said, I said, now that my Dangote is getting to marry my sister, let me start giving them job, distributing jobs, you know. I said, let me call him to come and pack this sand well. I don't know if we are going to need it. If Dangote will need it where he want to build a house for us. So that he'll make every way, crooked way straight. So that it's not that day now, if they are dancing. Somebody, they say local government chairman for that, or governor for that. So I don't know, I don't want that day now. They will say local government chairman for that. Or Dangote and his friends, somebody fell down. So I want everywhere to be tele.
So Mama, no worry. Since 1902, now we run this job. So don't ask. Do it.
Mama.
I feel they run am.
They run am. I want you to come back.
The people that are trying in this village, let them come and see me now. I just came back from the meeting now. Everybody in this village, let them come and try me. Me, Ogo Dangote. Good. Do you know that Jacinta also brought drinks for Oma Nnanna today? Guess what she brought? Mineral and cabin biscuits.
Daddy, on a charger.
Mama, na she. Big people like when our son no they touch you now. Just gonna relax first.
Oh, okay.
No problem.
I wore that woman shame like
Mama,
clothes today.
I trust you.
You trust your
I
mother.
trust you.
When I came with those cartons of drinks and the bottle drink for them to wash it down. Hey! Honoruzie Kanwoku.
In-law Dangote.
Hey! Nekozi, in-law Dangote. Our chair lady asked her, hey, Jacinta, who is your in-law? Is it somebody we knew? Hey! Odia Kana may pay so that she will enter inside.
How can I want to have mechanic? Very
hey!
Mechanic. Mama, let's go inside so that I will show the list I have made. I have rearranged the list for the marriage and everything because you know Dangote has money. There's no point fitting him. I've added even the one that my girlfriend's family they told me. I've added it there. So Dangote will continue all of them. So I won't suffer again. Only when Dangote has a law should not suffer.
At all.
Let's go, let me show you.
Hey! Oh! Hey, son, now I am seeing your potential. Hey!
I am telling you, I don't know what we have done to that woman. Yes. Please, I am begging you, do not give up. Oh? And please, do not add any form of pressure to Abuchi. Because of Ujunwa and her mother. Yes. All I know is that what will be, will be. If God said he's your husband, he will surely bring it to pass. Yes. What? Why? What did you do to that lady? because of face me, I face you house. Uncle Iheme face me, I face you. Eh? Is it no human being that lives in face me, I face you? Yes. Okay. When you come back, we will talk. Because me, I'm just coming back from the meeting. Okay. Ngwanu. Bye-bye. Emilia, allow your daughter marry her rich husband and let my daughter marry her own. All I know is that one day, God will make a poor man rich. Uncle Iheme, eh?
2 million naira for the youth.
Yeah.
2 million naira. 2 million for the youth only. Mama, I did not put my own here. This one for the youth. Can I manage it?
Ubaka, are you the youth president? Besides, this list is dead on arrival.
Mama, how? How?
Wait, even if Dangote has this money to pay, where will he now get money to pay to me as the mother of the bride?
Mama, listen to me. Listen to me. Dangote will chase this thing. What is this? Mama, do you know who you is? For anybody to answer Dangote, that person must be rich. Oh no, Choronyenyem can be rich. Oh, can someone Dangote be rich? Oh no, what the money? Oh, if he doesn't have money, can he answer Dangote? Check him now. See, Mama, listen, let me tell you. See, this one is for the youth. I will still put my own. Do you understand? I will still put my own so that by the time you pay my own, hey, Mama, you don't have to bother now. This thing is a fake couple for him.
But now, the one we are giving outside that is this youth own, we are supposed to bring it down, cut down on the price, so that we will be able to increase our family own. Our poverty alleviation.
Mama, you are right. You write your own now. Mother of the bright list.
Baba, I finish your make it.
Okay, you are done. Good. Remember to bring some boys so that people pack the block. Even if you want to take it, you know, level that we are playing now, we don't even need the old block again. My father couldn't finish it, so it's me that will finish it for him. Don't worry, you will go. Later I will settle you.
And Baba, I need money now. We'll talk and face.
Okay,
talk and.
Okay,
I need ego.
You need ego.
Yes.
Oh, it's an ask okay, Zegede. It's an ask okay, Zegede. Is that how you behave? Do you know who you are talking to? Do you know who my in-law is? Dangote is my in-law. So you should, whatever you are doing with me, be careful. See, I told you that any moment from now he can visit here, and whenever he visits, he dash money, he pump us money. Yes. So look at somebody that you. Do you know the list I wrote here for the youth? This is what something supposed to do free for me, so that I put your name down on the youth that you're going to give money. And now someone you are distant.
Do you know who my in-law is? Anytime my in-law enters this compound, he rains money. What are you talking about?
No, Alan, everywhere good. Make it go. If he pay you, make you pay me.
It's not make you go.
Add him lawyer, Baba. I mean, don't fuck me up, because with a para.
We will call you later. When we smoke, we will call you. What is all this?
But to back, what you would have done by yourself, so that we'll be able to save that money. I didn't save go.
Mama, see, me Pakistan, me Ubaka, Pakistan. Mama, no now. Mama, how long do you want me to stop suffering? For how long will I stop suffering? I suffered since your daughter was little, and she was able to be a big girl now, very beautiful, and God managed to put her in the hand of a rich man. You still want me to continue to suffer? Be packing Sunday. Mama, I cannot do that again. I cannot. See, let me tell you, very soon, I will even bring people that will be betting me.
Yeah?
Yes, now Dangote is my in-law. Why will I suffer again?
Or go like that?
Dangote is my in-law. Why will I suffer again? I will bring people that will be betting me. Chef, where my phone?
Hey!
You want massage?
Hey!
What was it for now?
Oh, we need to.
Mama, aim higher. Aim higher.
Yes.
Dangote is your in-law. Aim higher. Stop suffering, no. Get that guy from where back. Dangote, I will give you 100 million naira list for your burial. I will pack the money.
His name is Rinky Bello. Dangote, him money plenty, Dangote. Maka wake babwe jala tugo. Dangote, wake kunaku. Dangote, if I'm not joy.
Finally, you caught me. Babe, you know you're something else. I mean, you are a wealthy, loving and caring man at the same time. You're just a full package. Honestly speaking, every woman will be so happy to have you.
But I told you will enjoy me.
Right?
My name is Enjoy.
Enjoy, baby, I'm enjoying you for real. I'm enjoying you so much. And I thank God for blessing me with you. Honestly.
Listen, you're beautiful, okay? And being beautiful comes with a lot of advantage.
Right?
Beauty is a gift.
My love,
Yeah?
I want to get pregnant before we go to the village next.
Mogwe? Say that again.
I want to get pregnant before we go to the village again.
That sounds good. That sounds so good.
You want it?
I will make it happen. And once it happens, we will start planning our ceremony.
Really?
That's right, yeah.
So you're going to be a sharpshooter?
Oh, I will love it. I will love it.
He gets money, plenty money. His name is Rinky Bello. Dangote, him money plenty,
Sorry, sir. Your mechanic is here to see you, sir.
Oh, Abuchi, my mechanic. Let him in.
What you say, Abuchi?
Yes, that's Abuchi, my mechanic.
Boss, everything.
Abu, how are you?
I'm good.
Good evening, sir. Abuchi!
Do you know each other?
Baby, this world is a small place, so... This is my cousin sister Ogechi, the one I told you about now.
Ewo.
Yes, that's also my friend. And this is Abuchi, the poor guy I told you about.
Boss, do you know her?
No hacking. No hacking. This is my wife to be. Yes, so my beautiful wife to be.
Hey! What a small world. You both are welcome, oh? Chai, love. Baby, let me get the maid to get them something to eat because I can see that they might be feeling hungry, Abby. I'm coming. Welcome. Hey!
I suggest he gets everything on that list.
Iche, this is too much now. The young man in question is still struggling. The items here cost a fortune. Where is he going to get money to buy all these things? Iche, Pico, help me talk to the Oma Nnanna. Let them just reduce from this thing, Pico.
We won't be different, Jacinta. Everybody in this kingdom uses that list.
Nani, that is what I'm trying to explain to you. This young man in question is not everybody. He does not have that much. Pico, just help me. Help me talk to them. All I'm asking is that they just cut down on this list. It's too much now. Nanego, just look. Pico.
Okay. I will see the Onyeisi Umunna tomorrow morning. And I don't know, but I'm not giving you a guarantee. But let me talk to him and see how it goes. You know, Coach Jacinta, tomorrow I will get back to you.
Dalo, Dalo, I appreciate. Nani, Biko, I am counting on you. Biko, just help me.
I will talk to him tomorrow morning.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, Dalo.
What? How did they meet? Oh, he's Dangote's mechanic, Omaka. Name. Show her baby. Eh? Let her know where you are living. Let her know that your destiny is bigger than her own. And that you are more beautiful than her. Don't let your husband give them any money. Don't let him give them any money. Okay. Okay, I'll be waiting for you. Jacinta. Jacinta no. Nobody dare compete with me in this life. Mwa. I got that much rules on why. Hey! Hey! My in-laws mechanic. How you hold you know?
You are blessed, yes, because it's not easy to see someone who truly loves you for who you are, not for what you can provide or money. So, this union is blessed in Jesus' name.
Amen. Yes.
Enjoy.
Yes. That's why I said I should bring her to you so that you see her. Yes.
And thank you for marrying my sister. Or at least her dream of having a rich husband has come to pass.
No, you can say that again.
Don't worry, before you leave, I will bless you with 200,000 naira. Just for being a good woman and for genuinely loving my mechanic.
Hey, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Baby, help me and thank your boss. Help me and thank your husband. Thank you, sir.
It's nothing. 200k is nothing. I mean, the benefit of getting married to a rich man. You know, there's no dignity in poverty.
Yes, money is good. But at the same time, one cannot kill himself because of money. Yes. Because money cannot buy true love.
Yes, sir.
But you don't worry. I will support your marriage, okay? Okay. Let's talk.
Hey, thank you, sir.
Thank you. I forgot to be drinking. I know you've not tasted this type of wine before. Come, let's go and discuss outside.
This list is way too much. Emilia, what are you and your son up to?
I don't understand. Do you know who my son-in-law is? It is Dangote. Eh?
Emilia, he is not the Dangote we all know.
Ichie, you don't know who this man is. You don't complain yet. Eh? This man is rich. He's going to chase it. This thing is nothing to him. I wonder. It's Dangote. Dangote is my in-law.
I said he is not the real Dangote. He's not the Dangote we all know. Eh? Besides, Gemunti, there's life after marriage. I was with Jacinta. And she was begging. I cut down her sons-in-law's list. Yeah. And here you are, inflating yours.
Ichie, Biko. Are you trying to compare my billionaire son-in-law to that of a mechanic? Eh?
Ichie.
You know, Ichie, my daughter called me today to tell me that mechanic of a pauper was in my son-in-law's house begging for money to go and marry Ogechi. Eh? Yes! I never knew they knew each other.
How?
But Ichie, no matter what you do or say, you are still going to add extra 5 million naira for me. I am going to make money through my rich son-in-law.
Hey, I am so disappointed in both of you. Imagine what you are even saying.
Ichie, listen, let me tell you. Ichie, let me tell you, before you disappoint us, let me tell you. You see that in-law? Dangote, my in-law, must settle me. He must settle me, else that marriage will not hold.
Yes.
I am disappointed in both of you. Imagine what you are both saying. Is he my direct son-in-law? No. Eh? What will my kindred say about this?
Ichie, Give it to me. I will present it to him myself. We will present it to him ourselves. Do you think rich men care about how much they pay for bride price?
What is 10 million?
Do you know how beautiful my daughter is? They don't care.
What is 10 million?
Are you all done?
We are done.
Are you done?
Done.
When he comes, I will present him the original list. And if you like, go and utter it. Boss Kwabo. And I'm done.
You you're not really saying okay, okay, one. If you do that, mind what quick Huh? I got out here. I do want to paying. What is all this, Mama? Listen, we have to plan. We have to plan seriously because I will not take this thing. Dangote my in-law will settle me. Yes, I'll go and form my own in-law, kindred, and keep them together. And bring them here that day. They'll present the list. What is this?
Jacinta is the cause of all this problem. Imagine her telling Ichie to cut down on her marriage list, making me look like a bad person.
Yes, so that she will be a good person, we will be a bad person. What is all this?
I will pay her a visit. I'm going to see
Mama,
her.
I don't think it's necessary.
Mama,
Mama, it has not gotten to that.
Eh?
It has not gotten to that.
Let me go and see her. I will go and see her.
If you see her only steer it. If you see her only steer it, Mama, what is it? She's causing us problem here. I'll plan my own. I have elders, so I have youth. Boys I can carry now. Pet their white. They will come and sit down that day and collect money for me. I'm going for 10 million naira.
Baby, I don't like this thing that you did. I don't like it. Yeah? That girl you see there envies me. She wants to be like me. She wants everything I have.
Baby, she can never be like you. She will never be like you. The difference is clear. Hennessy and Kaikai are not the same. Now, you are married to a wealthy, handsome man. But she's marrying a brief, poor mechanic. The difference is clear.
Hey, baby, I know, but why would you promise to sponsor their marriage? As what now? No, you want the both of us to be competing.
No. I had already promised my mechanic that whenever he will get married, I will support him. Let them enjoy. Helping people is part of me. Yes, I help people every now and then. Let them have their fun, okay?
And you even gave her 200,000. I mean, has that girl seen 200,000 in her miserable life before? Does she even know what 200k looks like before today?
Baby, listen. My money will never finish. My money can never finish. Helping people is part of my life. I help people every now and then, so let them do their petty marriage before I will shut down this village with our own marriage.
Me, I'm not happy. You want that girl to go about bragging that she got married before me? See, that girl is a very pretentious human being. She's a devil, claiming to be a saint.
It's better than get married before us. Do you know why?
Why?
After our marriage, shame will not allow anybody to say that they are getting married around this vicinity. Because our marriage will be total shut down. 50 Cent is coming to perform for us on our wedding day.
Baby, 50 Cent is coming.
50 is coming. I didn't say something like 50 is coming.
Baby, 50 Cent is coming.
If I not join, his name is Dangote.
Nice work now. Well done.
Well done, sir.
Anybody look for me?
No.
Hey, baby, you can sit, eh?
Well done, sir.
Anybody look for me?
No, sir.
Baby, eh? Here is my workshop. This is where I'm managing my life. Yeah.
Baby, did you call this one managing? This workshop is big, oh. It's no managing at all. You see this place? We will build mansions from this place.
Amen.
This place will yield money that we use and build. Not only mansions, plenty mansions.
Amen.
Oh. And when we marry, maybe see that place. I'll do small kiosks there and start my POS business.
Why do you have this so much faith in me?
Because I have faith in myself. Hardworking man plus hardworking woman equals to successful life. It's better collabo.
Yeah. Go there, get me some drinks, eh?
Okay, sir.
From that shop.
Okay, sir. Malt, abi?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
Okay, no problem.
Well done.
Malt is not too expensive. Mineral.
No, don't worry. I get you more so that you cool and chill, eh? Yeah, in my shop now.
In our shop.
Yeah, in our shop. In our shop.
What's wrong with this car?
Okay, it's having a problem. The alternator is not connected power to injector and it's affecting the radiator.
Injector?
Yeah, you won't understand now. That's the mechanical terminologies.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is why you left your house to my house this evening to trouble me. Ogene, do you ever get tired?
Sister, you evil woman. So I'm talking rubbish, okay? I am talking rubbish. Now listen to me. I want to let you know. Let your evil daughter, your cursed daughter, not bring her bad luck anywhere close to my precious side. I don't care if both men knew themselves before now. What is this? Marriage have not started. You have started begging. Here on the phone. People have shame at all.
Point of correction. They did not beg anybody for anything. Abuchi only went to somebody he knew that promised him something long time before he even met my child. Ogene Emilia, what is this? You and your daughter should leave us alone. Ogene.
Hey. Sister, listen to me. Listen and listen good. Because I'm not going to repeat myself. And I'm willing to say it for the whole village to hear. Tell your cause of a daughter and her wretched, hungry husband-to-be to stay away from my son-in-law. Because my son-in-law will no longer be available to help them. From now. Yes. If you like, pretend like you love suffering. Continue your suffering. But you see me, anything other than what my son-in-law has given to them will no longer come to them. It will no longer be tolerated. Me, Emilia, I will make sure of that. See, let me tell you, there's enough hunger in the country already. It's not everybody that will get married. Let us stay at home. You're a witch too.
You are a witch.
May
God help you.
Help you too.
Look at you. Look at you, Emilia. All of a sudden, you are not talking about rich man this, rich man that. Emilia, who was your late husband? A pauper. Or should I even visit the case of your useless, good-for-nothing son that does not have anything to his name? No! And the future husband to somebody else's daughter. Emilia, have shame. Have shame and rest.
You call my heir useless. You called my son useless. Don't worry. You see that, my son? I have a big plan for him. You see, the plan will shock you. See, I've come here. I came here to tell you what I want to tell you. You and your cursed daughter should stay away from my son-in-law.
My friend, get out of my compound.
Stay away.
Get out of my compound.
Sister, you know me. Stay away. I've told you. Stay away. Madam, I will tear you apart. Okay. You know what I can do.
Just look at this one. You are the one that claim you have everything, but you don't have peace. The people you are calling poor, you refuse to let them be. What kind of madness is this? Hey, Chimo. Olele.
His name is Ringy Bello. Dangote. He manipulate you. Dangote. Maka wake babwe jala tugo. Dangote. Wake kunoku. Dangote. If I not joy. Dangote. His name is Dangote. Dangote. International man. Dangote. Importer and exporter. Money no be wahala at all for him side. Money no be trouble at all for him side. Fafusi and what when they see him, they reason as they see them.
Look who we have here. My daughter. Hey, welcome. How are you?
Mama, how are you?
I'm fine, no. Hey! What are you feeding this girl with? So just 1 week, she's this fat. Now please tell me what you gave to her because I need it too.
Nothing, Mama. It's just happiness. Yeah, she was even telling me that she wants to come back. And that is why I brought her back.
Mama need this happiness. I need this happiness. People should give me to eat now.
Mama bought plenty things for you.
It's again.
You see this bag? They are all goodies for you.
It's again.
Everything here for you.
For me?
Yes.
Hey.
If you walk out, he has a good heart. All these things are for you.
Hi. Nah, thank you. In fact, you are welcome again and again to this family. Nne, carry this thing. Nna, potaba, let's go inside. Eh? No, oh?
Mama, I will start by demolishing this. Yes, my in-laws can't be staying here.
Hey!
I will erect a befitting castle for your all.
Hey!
And you see that entrance, from that entrance to this point, I will tile the road and cap it up with street lights.
Hey! Onye kambo! Agabuchi onye!
I want to dig a borehole, yes, for the community. I want everybody to be enjoying free water.
Dangote my in-law!
Oh, for my in-law, yes. And the last but not the least, you see this car here, Mama? From now onwards, it's now yours. With this driver, this car will be here 247 to take.
Hey! Help! My in-law. Thank you very much. Adam! Hey! I'm a car owner.
Mama, you are...
I am a car owner.
They will hear it. Mama, calm down.
They will hear it.
How can I make a film?
Hey! Okamoto, it's my
in-law. There's no point wasting time. I have prepared the list for the youth and the brothers, the only brothers list, and the late father's list for the marriage. So, how is this? It doesn't take much money.
I also have the women list and the list of mother. Her uncle will come with a Oma Nnanna list.
Yes. Okay. Compile the list. Yeah.
Hey!
I don't go through lists. I just go to the total.
Hey!
So tell me the total of all the lists. I will send the money.
Hey! Dangote my in-law! Hey! Hey! This is my car!
Tony, are you mad? What do you mean by you paid in 29 billion? Tony, my money is 46 billion naira. Why are you paying in 20-something billion? Next thing you start coming with your people to beg me. I don't like all this. If I don't see my balance of 20-something billion naira before Friday, you won't like what I will do to you. Come on, yo. I can say this business we are not. Stop, bro. It's all good. Sorry, on Deji Mobile.
Hey! Billion one better.
We are overthrowing our king. That will be our king.
Yes.
No need. We only have Jiba here.
Hey!
I don't know how to thank you enough for all the beautiful clothes you got for me. I mean, those clothes are so expensive. Hi. Now, you didn't have to go that far now. You know you have plenty of expenses to do.
Mama, at least you are seeing what I've been talking about. You see my husband here, he has a very big heart. He does not economize money. He does not economize money. I wonder if he can be able to manage this marriage ceremony the way we are planning it to. Because my husband here, he will spend recklessly.
Maybe I will try my best. You see, Mama, Mama, I can't wait to make her get to my wife. You see, me and my people, we have fixed a date, 16th of this month, to come for the traditional marriage. But before then, we are coming back tomorrow to do it official. Yes.
It's fine. I have also spoken to Ichi Udoka. By tomorrow, he will be here with a list.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Mama. Please, you people should take me the way you see me. You see, all that matters is life. Because with life, there is hope. Yes, I will do my best. But I promise that I will take care of her. Ogechi is a very good woman. I promise I'll take care of her and love her to the best of my ability and capacity.
Nah, what you just said now is okay for me. Everything is not about money. You see this smile I'm seeing on my daughter's face is enough for her. Thank you.
Mama, your son-in-law is wealthy. He is so wealthy. He is I did not say rich, I said wealthy man. Hey! You need to see his mansion. Hi, very gigantic. Hey, Mama, I have maid. A maid that is serving me whatever thing I want to eat, whatever thing I want to drink. She serves me just like
Chimo. God, how do I thank you? You see? You have finally heard my prayers. All these things are courtesy of me. Courtesy of me, person posted everywhere. I said that I'm going to make this family proud.
But relax, Joe. Relax. Mama, that's not all. You know you have a very wise daughter, a smart daughter. I made sure that I wasn't free when I went there. So I did the do. So that in 1 month's time.
I trust you. I trust you. But Dangote, is he not making any effort to marry you and get engaged? Mama, I don't want to get you to marry before you.
Mama, don't worry. We spoke about that. Yes, we discussed that. You know he's the one sponsoring Ogechi's wedding. Yeah, I wasn't happy to exactly the reaction I did, but I don't have a choice because he said that he wants to make sure that after our own wedding, nobody will even have the face.
Because
that is shut down. Mama, guess what? Guess what? 50 cents is coming from my wedding. 50 cents is coming. No, Mama, do what? Clock it.
Clock it. Clock it.
Mama, don't worry, I say.
Hey, I've arrived. In this village, what I will do to them?
With your car, Abi?
With my car, what I will do to them, Mama. And my security man. You see that car? They will hear it from me. I'll be driving it for now. Because I know he will buy for me. Yes, please, you have to tell him to be fast and buy for my own. If not, I will scatter the one.
Ubaka will take your car. You will not smell that car. You don't know Ubaka.
That car fits me more than
his name is a ring bello. Dangote, he manipulate you. Dangote, Maka wake babwe jala tugo. Dangote, wake kunaku. Dangote, if I not joy. Dangote, his name is Dangote. Dangote, international man. Importer and exporter. Money no be one.
Are you the one selling cement?
Yes, sir, I am the one.
Do you know me?
I don't know you.
It's not your fault. You cannot know me. How much do you sell 1 bag of cement?
A bag is sold for 10,800.
10,800 only. Yes, it's all right. You don't know my in-law. Dangote is my in-law. You don't know Dangote.
Which of the Dangote? Is it the original Dangote or another one?
Anyway, never mind. See, I have come for us to do business. Yes, my in-law wants to build a house for me, and I will be needing cement. So I have come for us to strike a deal that if I come here to buy cement, whether he come with me or not, they are going to add 5,000 naira on top of what they are selling cement. For me, that one is for me.
Okay, 5,000 naira is too much. Now everybody know how much we sell cement here.
Are you the one paying? This is my in-law. Do you know my in-law is very rich? Do you understand? Look at that, somebody I brought deal for. I brought deal for you. Do you know how I'm going to buy up to 500 bags? Because he's going to build 1 decade for me. I am the first son. He's going to marry my sister, so he's going to build 1 decade for me. So you have to be coming down. I brought you here. Are you in or out?
No, I'm ready. I'm ready.
So what we are going to happen is that you don't offer me something.
Sorry, sir.
When I'm bringing big business.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Hey.
What can I offer you?
This guy, I'm not business.
What can I offer you?
He's not a business at all.
Sorry, sir.
It's all right. You know, as somebody that brought big business for you, 2 bottles of champagne. I will drink 1 here and go home with 1. Then one turkey. 1 big turkey. You know I like turkey.
Yes, sir.
Go and offer me before we start business.
Okay, sir. No problem. I'm coming.
Be fast about it. You don't know what it means to for me to bring 500 bags of cement business for you. What is talking and bottles of wine? What is there? God says so people can touch you go to car because now.
His name is Ini Edo. Dangote, he manipulate you.
What is going on here? Eh?
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Oga Abuchi sent us.
Okay. He sent you to bring this stuff.
Yes. Is it Ogechi's house?
Yes, this is Ogechi's house.
Okay. The place that the traditional marriage is holding.
Yes, yes.
But bring them there, bring them down, bring them down. You're in the right place.
I don't understand. Eh?
But
I thought we said this thing should be on a low key. Where did he get money for all this canopy?
It's his friend that gave him money to support our marriage. But I told him not to spend all of it here now.
But no, call him now. He does not have to finish the money. Eh? This one is just marriage. Do it low key and everybody go home.
Other than me, he does not here.
We'll go there, Biko.
Hello, baby. Maybe some people came to the house with canopy. I thought we planned on low-key wedding. What is going on now? Yes. Baby, please come to the house. Please come to the house. I know you're in the village. Please come to the house. Because you're not doing what we planned now. I'm waiting for you.
You have called him now. Let's hear from him.
Onye chiku kewu ke sonile masi kwando no gelu ifonye metere isi ya go ge jibulu Dangote my in-law, he gets money, plenty money. His name is Ini Edo. Dangote, he money plenty yo. Dangote, maka wake bwabwe jala tugo. Dangote, wake kunoku. If I not joy, his name is Dangote. International man.
My baby, I want you to dress so well, okay? We are storming that marriage tomorrow.
Baby, left for me, I would say we should not go. Let's just see. What are we going there for? You already supported them with money.
No, he's my boy, he's my mechanic. I need to support him. I already told him I'm coming. And my presence matters more than my money, so I will go there tomorrow, okay?
Yeah.
Are you okay? Baby, are you okay?
I don't know. I've been feeling some type of way since yesterday. Yes, I think I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant? Hey, baby, let it be true. If truly you're pregnant, that means I'll pause that building project and focus on our marriage immediately.
No. Maybe you don't have to pause it, please. All you have to do is just increase the pace. Make it fast. Just make it fast, you know.
I think you have a point here. I will get more contractors to make sure they complete that building in the next 3 months.
Yeah,
so that we can go ahead with our marriage plans.
Yes, that's better. Because my brother is already making plans. You know, you asked him to make arrangements.
Hey, you're pregnant. Please, cheers. But meanwhile, lab test is needed. Let's be 100% sure of what we are celebrating.
Want to go and stress your pregnant wife tomorrow?
Emilia, I am so happy for you. God has finally answered your prayer.
Yes, so in this village, I'm now being guided with security. I'm now a car owner. Security now guards me and my family.
I heard the good news. I said, let me run and come and see the car with my eyes. But I'm not seeing the car here. Where's the car?
My son went out with the car.
Oh.
You know, my son-in-law Dangote said he want to demolish this house and build a befitting duplex for me. So my son went to see the man that will supply us cement.
You want to demolish this house?
Yes, so
and build a new one.
Oruzi is to my standard
Hey.
as a Dangote mother-in-law.
Hey,
yes.
You guys, people used to say that you have high taste. You are very materialistic, and you and your daughter. But you see how your high hopes has favored you. You are a very favored woman.
Yes, so I am favored. Ne, they say when you shoot off the star, you end up in the moon. That is true. You see all those people that are talking, eh? All of you will still remain in this village. I will go to Omugo in London and come back. People will still remain in that circle. They say I'm materialistic.
See, you know I'm your friend. I am your friend. Please remember me. Your daughter's wedding will be the talk of this town.
Yes.
I mean forever, they will be talking about it. And Jacinta's daughter's wedding is tomorrow. I passed by their house. Everywhere is like cemetery. Nothing is happening. They just sat down there helplessly.
What do you expect? What do you expect? What do you expect? His son-in-law is my son-in-law's mechanic. What do you expect? Meanwhile, I will go there today. I want to go and mock her. Let me go and show her my new car and show her my new status. Eh? Where is this boy with this car now? Eh?
Emilia, is it necessary? Look at it now. It's not necessary. Don't do that. It's not necessary.
Who are you? Who are you to tell me if it's necessary or not? Do you know who my son-in-law is?
Sorry.
All the kids talk and you money over there.
Hey, no. Dangote in-law. Dangote in-law.
Fuck it, Akebia. Fuck it, Akebia. You should learn from me.
My people, where are you?
Now,
Mama.
You're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, no.
Good.
So fast.
Yes, I don't want to keep my baby waiting. Where is she?
She's inside.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, Mama. Come on, your baby's here.
Hey, how are you?
Fine, you're welcome.
I hope you're getting ready for tomorrow.
I'm trying. You know it's my first time, so it's doing me somehow.
Before, Uncle. Will it be your second time before? Now, Biko, let me go inside and get you some.
No problem. See, don't worry yourself. This is bread I got for you.
Hi.
Yes, at least by tomorrow, before the event starts, you use it to drink tea. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Let me go inside and chop my bread.
Okay,
Dalo.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to talk to me.
Yes.
Mama, don't come outside though.
Hey, Mama. So that is it. We were left with no other option than to run down to this village first for safety.
Hey, Chimo. God, whom did I offend? My son just made money. All of a sudden, they started pursuing him. Why?
Mama, don't worry. These two shall pass. How did I console? Baby, will you eat abacha?
No, I don't want to eat abacha. I just want us to live here. Just whatever thing you're doing, be fast. Let's leave this place. It's not safe for our unborn child.
Hey, unborn child. My son, is she pregnant already?
Hello.
Hey, but you have to be fast to go and pay her dowry and do the necessary things before they start, before her belly start getting bigger.
I will talk to our mother and people. Yeah, so that we can get married as fast as possible. But baby, we have to do a low-key marriage now.
Low-key marriage?
Yes. EFCC is after me. I can't even come out fully now. Please, let's do low-key. When everything settles down, we can now do a loud wedding. For now, I'm hiding. Safety first. Safety first. Huh?